In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Microsoft Outlook 5 minutes. If your inbox looks stuck, new messages aren't showing up, or things just feel a bit out of sync, a quick refresh can clear it up. I'll walk you through the simplest, most reliable way to refresh Outlook in your web browser and share a few pointers so everything loads correctly. First, go to Outlook in your browser. Open the Outlook website the way you normally do and wait for your mailbox to load. If you're prompted to sign in, just sign in as you usually would. Give the page a moment until you can see your folders on the left and your message list in the center. A stable connection helps here, so make sure the page fully finishes loading before moving on. Next, click on Inbox in the left sidebar. This tells Outlook exactly which folder you want to refresh. You should see the message list update to show the contents of your inbox. If you use Focused Inbox, remember there are two views, Focused and Other, so make sure you're looking at the one you expect after the refresh. Now right-click on the page. The key is to right-click on an empty area of the Outlook page or the background of the message list, not on an individual email. Right-clicking an email will bring up Outlook's own menu, which isn't what we want. If you see options like reply or mark as read, try right-clicking the white or grey space around the list instead, or the area beside your folders. From the menu that appears, click Reload. This is your browser's reload command, and it forces the page to request the latest data from Outlook servers. Think of it as a fresh handshake between your browser and your mailbox. The page will briefly go blank, then reload your folders and messages. You may see a small syncing indicator at the top bar while Outlook reconnects and pulls in mail. Once it settles, check the top of your inbox for new messages and scan the timestamps to confirm things are current. A few quick tips as you confirm everything's updated. If you still don't see an expected message, check that you're in the correct folder, and if you use Focused Inbox, toggle between Focused and Other. Also, filters and sorting can hide recent items, so make sure you're sorted by date with the newest on top, and that no filters are active. That's it. By going to Outlook, selecting Inbox, right-clicking the page, and choosing Reload, you perform a clean refresh that resolves most display or syncing hiccups in the browser.